Want crypto that actually pays you to hold it? Yeah, me too. Most people buy crypto, watch it on their phone all day, and stress themselves into early hair loss. Meanwhile, your crypto could be working for you, earning monthly rewards while you sleep. And today, I'm showing you 5 cryptos that pay up to 19% APY through staking and how to collect that passive income monthly. No mining rigs, no computer science degree required. Let's go. Crypto number 1, Solana or SOL, the speed demon that pays. And current APY, 6 to 8%. Rewards every 2 days. Ultra fast network. Let's kick things off with Solana, the crypto that's basically the sports car of blockchain. And we're talking 400 millisecond block times, which in crypto terms is like the difference between a Ferrari and your uncle's 1997 Honda Civic. And here's why Solana is my top pick for monthly staking income. It pays you rewards every 2 days, not monthly, not quarterly, every 2 days. That's called an epic in crypto speak, which sounds fancy, but really just means your payday cycle. With Solana, you're looking at 6 to 8% APY depending on which validator you choose. Let's do the math that actually matters. And if you stake $10,000 in Solana, you're earning $600 to $800 per year. That's $50 to $67 per month. That's literally a phone bill, internet, and a Netflix subscription covered. But here's where it gets juicy. Solana's network is fast. We're talking thousands of transactions per second at less than a penny in fees. Compare that with Ethereum's gas fees that can hit $50 during busy times, and you start to see why people are moving to SOL. Real talk. I have this friend, Mateo. He's 28, computer engineer, way smarter about crypto than I'll ever be, and he's been staking Solana since 2023. And you know what he told me last month? JD, I'm earning more from my SOL staking rewards than I spend on groceries. And no, he doesn't eat top ramen every meal. Okay, maybe sometimes, but drop a comment below. What's the dumbest crypto you've ever bought because someone on Twitter said it was going to the moon? And I'll go first. I once bought a coin literally called Safe Moon because it had safe in the name. Lost 80%. Turns out safe is marketing, not a promise. Let me know in the comments. If you want to stake Solana, you can use platforms like Phantom Wallet, native to Solana, Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. Pick a validator with high uptime, 99% plus. Reasonable fees, 5 to 10%, and you're golden. No lockup period means you can unstake whenever you want, though rewards take about 2 days to process. Your future self will thank you. Your present self might be confused by terms like validator and epic, but that's what YouTube tutorials are for. Crypto number 2, Cosmos or Atom or ATOM, the highest yield beast. Current APY, 15 to 19%. Internet of blockchains, delegated proof of stake. Plot twist, Cosmos has the highest staking yields on this entire list. We're talking 15 to 19% APY. That's not a typo, that's real money. Cosmos calls itself the Internet of Blockchains because it connects different blockchains together. Think of it like the router in your house that connects all your devices, except instead of your phone, laptop, and smart fridge, it's connecting Ethereum, Binance Chain, and like 50 other blockchains. Here's the math that'll make you pay attention. $10,000 staked in Atom at 17% APY, middle of the range, gives you $1,700 per year. That's almost $142 per month. That's a car payment. That's actual rent in some cities. That's 23 Chipotle burritos with wok every single month. But here's the catch you need to know. Cosmos has an unbonding period of 21 days. In translation, when you decide to unstake your Atom, you have to wait 3 weeks to get it back. And during that time, you're earning 0 reward and you can't sell if the price tanks. It's like being in a relationship where you have to give 21 days notice before breaking up. Awkward. And here's what the smart money knows. My buddy Alan, he's 80, built a 9-figure business, has forgotten more about investing than I'll ever learn. He told me something important. JD, high yield without liquidity is just money in jail. And you know what? He's right. That 19% looks amazing until you need your money back and you're stuck waiting 3 weeks while watching the price do whatever crypto prices do. The spoiler, usually not what you want. And the fix? only stake Atom with money you won't need for at least 6 months. Use platforms like Kepler Wallet, built for Cosmos ecosystem, or centralized exchanges like Kraken and Coinbase. Choose validators carefully. Look for ones with 99% plus uptime and reasonable commission, 5 to 10%. And for the love of all that's holy, do not stake your entire portfolio in one high yield crypto. The 19% is beautiful. The 21-day unbonding period is not. Plan accordingly. Now, crypto number 3, Ethereum or ETH, the blue chip staker. Current APY, 3 to 4%. Liquid staking available in most secure network. All right, let's bring it down a notch with Ethereum, the grandpa of smart contracts and the crypto everyone's parents have actually heard of. ETH staking yields are lower at 3 to 4% APY, which compared to Cosmos feels like getting paid in pocket change. But here's why it's still on this list. Ethereum is the safest and most liquid staking option available. We're talking about a network with a 400 billion plus market cap that's not going anywhere. The yield is 3 to 4%, which gives you $300 to $400 per year on $10,000 stake. That's about $25 to $33 per month. Not exactly quit your job money, but it is free gym membership you'll never use money. Here's the thing though, traditional ETH staking required you to lock up 32 ETH. That's like $75,000 plus at current prices. And you run your own validator node 24/7. Yeah, no thanks. I can barely keep a houseplant alive. But then liquid staking came along and changed everything. Platforms like Lido and Rocket Pool let you stake any amount of ETH and give you a liquid staking token like STETH that you can trade, sell, or use in DeFi protocols while still earning staking rewards. It's like having your cake and eating it too, except the cake is also making you money. And fast forward to now, and over 30% of all Ethereum is staked. That's not some weird niche thing, that's mainstream adoption. And get this, when Ethereum moved from proof of work mining to proof of stake or staking in 2022, it reduced its energy consumption by 99.95%. So you're not just earning passive income, you're also not destroying the planet in the process. Your hippie cousin at Thanksgiving will finally approve of your crypto investment. And real talk from personal experience. I added ETH staking to my portfolio in 2024 through Lido. And you know what's wild? The rewards just show up. No work, no thinking, just there. It's like finding money in your jacket pocket every month, except you knew it was coming and it's slightly less exciting. The fix for liquid staking, use Lido, Rocket Pool, or Coinbase, and you'll get a token representing your staked ETH that stays liquid. And for exchange staking, Coinbase, Kraken, and Binance all offer simple ETH staking with no minimum. ETH won't make you rich overnight, but it will steadily pay you while you sleep, and that's the game. Crypto number 4, Cardano or ADA, the no lockup legend. Current APY, 3 to 5%, zero lockup period, academic research backed. Cardano is what happens when actual scientists and mathematicians build a blockchain instead of, random tech bros in a garage. They literally peer review everything. It's like the crypto equivalent of showing your work on a math test. ADA staking pays 3 to 5% APY, which is similar to Ethereum, but with one massive difference. Zero lockup period. None. Zip. Nada. You can unstake and access your ADA whenever you want, usually within 2 to 3 days. That's faster than getting a refund from Amazon. With $10,000 staked in ADA, you're earning $300 to $500 per year, or about $25 to $42 per month. That's your Spotify, HBO Max, and Disney Plus subscriptions covered. Not life-changing, but definitely life-improving. The catch with Cardano, it's slow. Not my grandma loading Facebook slow, but definitely not Solana fast. The network prioritizes security and decentralization over speed. Is that bad? It depends on who you ask. Banks and institutions love it. Day traders, not so much. But here's the silver lining. No slashing penalties. Remember how I mentioned Cosmos makes you wait 21 days and you earn nothing? Cardano doesn't do that. You can delegate your ADA to a stake pool, and if you want out, you're out within days. And your ADA stays in your wallet the whole time. It's non-custodial, which in crypto speak means nobody can run off with your money except you. Plot twist about ADA. My buddy James, he's a 70 physicist, thinks in terms of decades, not days. He loves Cardano because it's built by people who actually understand cryptography and consensus mechanisms. And he told me, JD, most crypto projects are built by kids with good marketing. Cardano is built by nerds with PhDs. And I trust the nerds. And you know what? He's probably right. Boring is profitable. Exciting loses money. That's investing 101. The fix? Stake ADA through wallets like Yori or Daedalus, both official Cardano wallets, or use exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. Choose a stake pool with good performance. Check pool saturation and fees. The whole process takes about 5 minutes, and rewards start showing up in about 15 to 20 days. Cardano won't moon overnight, but it will reliably pay you month after month. That's the trade-off. Crypto number 5, Polkadot, DOT or DOT, the high yield connector. Current APY, 12 to 14%. Nominated proof of stake. Multi-chain architecture. Last but definitely not least, we've got Polkadot, the crypto that connects different blockchains like a giant blockchain LinkedIn network. DOT staking pays 12 to 14% APY through something called nominated proof of stake. And don't worry about the fancy name. What matters is the yield. With $10,000 staked, you're earning $1,200 to $1,400 per year. That's $100 to $117 per month. That's actually utility bills. That's groceries. That's real money. But here's what you need to know. Polkadot has a 28-day unbonding period. Yeah, almost a full month. You unstake your DOT and then you wait 28 days before you can access it. During that time, you're earning 0 rewards and can't sell if the market crashes. It's like Hotel California. You can check out anytime you like, but you can't leave for 4 weeks. Living the dream, right? Not exactly. Here's the reality check. The 12 to 14% yield is attractive, but that unbonding period is brutal in crypto. Crypto markets move fast. A lot can happen in 28 days. And remember when Luna collapsed? That took like 48 hours. Terra USD went from $1 to basically 0 while people were stuck in unbonding periods watching their money evaporate. Am I saying DOT is going to collapse? No. Am I saying you need to be aware that high yields come with strings attached? Absolutely. And get this, Polkadot's whole thing is connecting different blockchain parachains together. Think of it like building the infrastructure for Web3. Is that cool? Sure. Is it complicated? Very. Do you need to understand it to stake and earn 12 to 14%? Nope. The fix? Stake DOT through platforms like Kraken, Fearless Wallet, or Binance. Look for validators called nominators in Polkadot speak with high performance and reasonable fees. And here's the key. Only stake DOT if you're committed to leaving it there for at least 6 to 12 months. This is not your emergency fund crypto. This is your I'm going to ignore this and check back next year crypto. The yield is real. The liquidity is not. Choose wisely. All right. So what's the right way to earn monthly income from crypto staking? Simple. You build a diversified staking portfolio that balances yield, liquidity, and risk. And here's your action plan. Number 1, start with your safe foundation. Put 40% in Ethereum or ETH using liquid staking. This is your boring, stable, not going anywhere anchor. Low yield, high safety. Number 2, add your monthly income workhorses. Split 30% between Solana and Cardano. Fast rewards, decent yields, good liquidity. These are your bread and butter earners. Number 3, spice it up with high yield. Put 20% in Cosmos or Polkadot for those higher returns. Just remember the unbonding periods. This is your I'm in it for the long haul allocation. And number 4, keep 10% liquid. Don't stake everything. Keep some crypto unstaked and ready to deploy if opportunities arise or emergencies happen. Having 0 liquidity is financial jail. Number 5, choose your platform wisely. For beginners, use Coinbase or Kraken, easy, regulated, insured. For intermediate, try Lido, liquid staking, or native wallets like Phantom, Solana, or Yori, Cardano. For advanced, run your own validator. Kidding, don't do this unless you're Mateo. Number 6, check validators carefully. Look for 99% plus uptime, reasonable fees, 5 to 10%, and good track records. Don't just pick the first one you see. Number 7, Compound your rewards. Restake your earnings monthly. That's how you get rich slowly. Small money becomes medium money, becomes, oh wow, I can actually pay bills with this money. And number 8, tax considerations. Staking rewards are taxable income in the US when you receive them. Keep records. Nobody wants an IRS audit over their crypto gains. And trust me on this one. Remember, these monthly rewards should be working for you, not stressing you out. Set it up, check it quarterly, collect your rewards. That's the game. Look, I get it. Staking crypto feels risky. It's not as boring as index funds or as safe as your savings account earning 0.01%. But safe with 0.01% returns doesn't beat inflation. Staking at 6 to 15% actually grows your wealth. So stop being a crypto hoarder watching prices all day. Be a crypto staker collecting monthly income while you sleep. Okay, that metaphor needs a little work. You get the point. Just pick 2 to 3 cryptos from this list. Stake what you can afford to lock up and let the rewards roll in. The future you will thank you. Current you might stress about volatility, but that's what the monthly rewards are for, to remind you that you're making progress. And if you want to learn more about personal finance beyond crypto staking, check out this other video. And if you need help choosing a crypto exchange or wallet, I've got links in the description. Now, stop watching YouTube and go stake something. Peace be with you, and may your crypto earn while you sleep and your gas fees stay low.